Hello and welcome to my PC build and setup video. First off, I want to show you my desk and then PC after. I have two Acer LCD 24-inch 1080p with HDMI and DVI inputs. One is plugged in by HDMI and one with DVI. My TV for my console is really old and they don't make them anymore. It's 1080p and that's all I know. It's my PC case, NZXT Fuel Tower, and it reminds me of a stormtrooper from Star Wars. I only have one DVD drive. This is inside the PC. It has 4 fans, 2 at the side and 2 at the top. I have 1 terabyte hard drive, Coolmaster 750 volt PSU, X99 ASRock motherboard 2011 V3 socket, WindForce GTX 770 graphics card, i7 5820K hex core at 3.30 with Fantex CPU cooler, DDR4 G-Scale 16GB at quad channeling. It was a hard build because I got the wrong CPU socket. Then I had to take out the CPU fan and put in the new CPU. Then this PSU had to be sent back because it was faulty, but I finally got there. This is the BIOS screen. This is where you can overclock and all sorts. I haven't messed with the settings yet though, but I will in the future. This is fan control. It sucks in or out air depending what you have it on. There's a program where you can see all your computer stats. There's performance mode, standard, and power saving. There is a bunch of stuff you can do with this as well though. My computer is at 24 degree to 27 degree on idle, and when I'm gaming it's about 30. This is my rig, and I am running at Windows 7 Ultimate 64-bit, and that concludes my talk of my PC, and thank you for watching. See you guys next time.